Hello friends, myself Abhishek OS. Now I am here to explain you about the if template tag in Django. Let us see. If template. The if template tag in Django is a powerful tool for creating dynamic web pages. It allows you to conditionally display the content based on the value of a variable. Let us see some examples. Displaying the content conditionally. The if template tag allows you to show different context based on the certain conditions such as user roles or a data availability. Next is personalized user experience. By using if statement, you can tailor the displayed content to the individual users and enhancing their experience and engagement. Handling data errors gracefully. If template tag enables you to display the alternative message or the take appropriate action when the encountering unexpected data situations. Now let us see the syntax of the if template. A basic syntax. The if template tags evaluate the condition and executes the content within the tag only if the condition is true. Then it condition evaluation means the if tag takes the condition as an argument, which can be a variable, a comparison, or a logical expression. Next is content execution. If the condition is true, within the if tag is rendered. The content within the if tag is rendered. Otherwise, it will be skipped. Let us see the example. In this example, if myvar double equals 1, then it will print the hello message. Let's see. See here, I have given myvar equals 1. Let us see in view part. So template. If the myvar double equals 1, then it should print hello world. In view part, I have declared that myvar equals 1. Let us see another example. In this, the myvar equals 1, it will print hello, else it will print as greeting message. We can see that we have got a message that greetings because in my var I have given my var value is 2. Hence, if the condition is failed in the if statement, so automatically the what's the message or content in the else statement, it will execute. Now let us see the comparison operators available in the if template tag. Equality. The equality operator checks if the two variables are equal and it returns true if the both are equal, otherwise it returns a false. Next is inequality. The inequality operator checks if the two values are not equal. It returns true if they are not equal, else if they are true it returns the false. Next is a greater than. A greater than operator checks if the left hand operator is greater than the right hand operator. It returns true if it's true. If it is, that means if the left hand operator is greater than the right hand, it returns true. Otherwise, it returns false. Next is lesser than. If the left hand operator is lesser than the right hand operator, then it will returns true or it will returns a false. Next, let us see the nesting if statement using the if template tag. A outer if statement, that is, it evaluates the initial condition. Next, the inner if statement evaluates the nested condition. That means when the first outer if statement executes, then the condition is true, then it executes the inner if condition. Like that only, n number of the if condition we can give according to our requirements. Let us see the handling else and elif statement with the if template tag. Else statement. The else statement is used to execute the code if the condition in the if statement is false. This provides an alternative path with the initial code is not met. That means if you are given if condition, when it will become the false, then automatically the content in the else statement it will execute without checking any conditions. Next is elif statements. The elif statement allows for the multiple condition check in the sequence. This enables you to execute the specific code based on the series of conditions. It means when you have the uh, more than more than two conditions, then we will use elif conditions. Example, let us say you have variable user type. You can use if, elif, else message depending on the values of the user type. Next, let us see the advantages of the template tag. The if template tag enables you to create a dynamic content based on the conditions, making your templates more responsive and user friendly. Next is code reusability. By using if statement, you can avoid repeating the code blocks and maintain a cleaner, more organized template structure. It means you can reduce the size of the code, and you can use the one code repeatedly more than two or more times. Improved user experience. Conditionally displaying content based on your preference or the data can enhance the user experience by providing relevant informations. Next is flexibility and adaptability. The if template tag allows you to easily adjust the content displayed based on the different scenarios or the data changes. Now let us see the limitations of the if template tag. The limited functionality. A Django if template tag is primarily designed for a simple conditional logic and does not support complex operations like loops or a custom functions. It only executes once. The condition is verified only once at a time. And if we want to use, we can implement this if condition inside the loop, like for loop or while loop or do while loop. Next, read only nature. The if template tag is a read only, means it cannot be modified data or change the state of the condition application. That means it just reads the what's the information inside that if tag. We cannot modify. Next is performance considerations. Excessive use of if statements can negatively impact the performance of your Django templates, especially if they involve complex logic. The best practices for using if template tag in Django templates: avoid complex logics. That means keep the conditional statements simple, and complex logics can be hard to maintain and debug. Next is use context variables. Pass relevant data from your view to your template to make decision within the if template tag. Next is follow dry principle. Don't repeat yourself into a custom template tags for cleaner codes. Next is test thoroughly. Test your templates with different data to ensure your if statement works as expected. That means before you are putting your if tag in the main project, put that into your sample code and check if it's working thoroughly or not. That's all about the today's topic. Thank you.